So we're here with Mike Jones today from Golden Charter. So welcome along to Paradigm, Mike. I guess the first thing is for those brokers who don't know what Golden Charter do is to just expand a bit and tell us what you actually do.
Okay, thanks, Mike. Yes, Golden Charter, we're one of the UK's leading provider of prepaid funeral plans, and we've helped about 500,000 clients so far. We're owned by an association of independent funeral directors, and we have access to over 3,000 independent funeral directors across the UK. We're registered with the Funeral Planning Authority, and when we receive an application form in, one of our key points is that we actually allocate that to the nominated funeral director, so the actual client knows who the funeral director is going to carry out their services. I think the big thing for us is to do with prepaid funerals is the cost of a funeral has doubled since 2004, and that's according to the Sun Life Cost of Dying report, the latest one in 2017. And that's a real problem. The average cost is $4,078 in 2017. But funeral plans, the main benefit of them are, it's not just the financial reasons. That helps because you can freeze the cost of the funeral director services included in the plan, but it's really for the emotional reasons. It allows a client to specify the requirements so that their wishes are carried out at the time of need. Why we've teamed up with Paradigm and working with your members is that we make the whole process really easy. After training, there's a full range of products and payment options that your advisors can recommend to their clients, including 2 regular premium options. We make the whole process easy for the client. Very simple application process, no underwriting, no medical terms applied, no lifestyle questions, and it's guaranteed acceptance.
That's great, Mike. Why do you think protection and funeral planning in particular is an important product for intermediaries to offer their clients?
Well, if you think about it, most of the financial products that an advisor offers to their client is actually for an emotional reason. When an advisor talks to their clients about life assurance and critical illness cover, the clients are actually paying for that type of product on the basis that when a time of crisis comes, the family is going to be looked after. And a funeral plan is an extension to this. It's not just a financial reason, as I've already mentioned, it's an emotional one too. Most advisors are talking to their clients about death when they're arranging life assurance, pension, death benefits, and nominating beneficiaries, and estate planning in particular. And a funeral plan, if you think about it, is a natural extension to that financial planning process.
So, Mike, where do you see funeral planning fitting into a client portfolio?
Well, we see the funeral plans as being an integral part of the financial planning process. If you think about it, a funeral plan is not a just-in-case product. It definitely will be used product, and it fits into not only a protection advisor's portfolio but also a wealth advisor's portfolio.
Okay, so what do you think are the common reasons intermediaries may not recommend funeral planning to their clients?
I think one of the main reasons is probably a lack of awareness and actually knowledge of what the benefits of the product are. It could also mean there's some confusion about where it fits in their portfolio perhaps, and sometimes it's a difficult conversation to have with their client, and this is where we really help. We have a team of regional account managers across the UK, and we provide this initial and ongoing support and training to really give that knowledge into the intermediaries out there. And the whole subject of funeral plans is becoming more and more popular, and we know that your members will certainly position themselves as their clients' trusted advisor, and because of that they really should be talking to their clients about all of the financial benefits, the emotional reasons, and just making sure that there's something in place that gives this financial security and this emotional comfort. And also, if they're not going to be talking to their clients about it, someone else could be.
Okay, so moving on from that, how can Paradigm Protect and Golden Charter work closer in 2018 to increase awareness firstly, and then move on to increasing sales?
Yeah, we're delighted to be working with Paradigm, and we are attending lots of Paradigm events, workshops, which are absolutely fantastic. Gives us the opportunity to meet with your advisors on a one-to-one basis, as well as present to them on a group as well. So I think we can certainly start spreading the awareness through the advisors. I I think also what we're looking to do is to work quite closely with giving lots of information on the Paradigm member sites and our provider site to give some real indications and ways that we can help the advisor with sales aids, marketing materials and promotional incentives. We're just currently running a direct mail incentive where we're helping Paradigm members at the moment with that. That's working really well for us. But I think the most important thing for us is to make sure that we're there on a one-to-one basis. Our guys, the regional account managers, are very keen to be meeting with Paradigm members in order to assist them in increasing their sales.
Okay, well, we've had some good success so far, and let's hope we can continue that and grow it going into 2018 and beyond. So thanks very much for taking the time to come along and pass this message on to our brokers. Thank you, Mike.
Thanks, Mike.